Distance is the length of the actual path traveled by an object in motion while going from one point to another, whereas displacement is the minimum distance between the starting and finishing point. Even if the displacement of an object is zero, the actual distance traversed by it may not be zero. Use your brain power. Question 1. Every morning, Swarali walks round the edge of a circular field having a radius of 100 meter as shown in the figure 1.2a. If she starts from the point A and takes one round, how much distance has she walked and what is her displacement? Answer. The distance covered by Swarali in one round equals to circumference of the circles equal to 2 pi r equals to 2 into 22 by 7 into 100 meter equals to 4400 upon 7 meter equals to 628.6 meter approximately. Her displacement equals to 0 meter. Question 2. If a car starting from point P goes to point Q, see figure 1.2b, and then returns to point P, how much distance has it travelled and what is its displacement? Answer. The distance travelled by the car equals to PQ plus QP equals to 360 meter plus 360 meter equals to 720 meter and its displacement equals to 0 meter. Speed and velocity. Can you recall? Number 1. What are vectors and scalars? Answer. Scalar, a physical quantity which has magnitude only, is called a scalar quantity. Vector, a physical quantity which has both the magnitude as well as direction, is called as vector. Question 2. Which of the quantities distance, speed, velocity, time and displacement are scalars and which are vectors? Answer 2. Scalar quantity, distance, speed, time. Vector quantity, velocity, displacement. Speed equal to total distance travelled upon time required. The distance travelled in one direction by an object in unit time is called its velocity. Here, unit time can be 1 second, 1 minute, 1 hour, etc. If large units are used, 1 year can also be used as a unit of time. The displacement that occurs in unit time is called velocity. Velocity equals to displacement upon time. Always remember. Number 1. The units of speed and velocity are the same. In the SI system, the unit is meter per second, while in the CGS system, it is centimeter per second. Number 2. Speed is related to distance, while velocity is related to the displacement. Number 3. If the motion is along a straight line, the values of speed and velocity are the same. Otherwise, they can be different. Velocity is the displacement that occurs in unit time.